Hey, NoiseMaker right there. NoiseMaker, you can do it there. Hey, NoiseMaker, you can do it too in Honolulu. Hello, Noise, Mod Squad in Honolulu said you working that thing too. Aloha. Hey, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, he want me to leave you on the mall, SwitchBlade.
Good night, I got down. Yeah, who wants you to leave me on the mall? Hey, ModSquad, who wants you to leave me on the mall, bro?
I don't know if that was NoiseMaker, man. Hey, NoiseMaker, you want me to leave him on the mall, NoiseMaker? Come on.
You feel like you be real careful. You feel like you be real careful, because I ain't who you think I am. Hey, ModSquad, SwitchBlade got down.
Right back. Right back, SwitchBlade. All right, SwitchBlade, you still got condition on that end there, SwitchBlade. Take care, SwitchBlade. Take care, BrickLayer. Take care, NoiseMaker. Mod Squad right back, Honolulu.
SwitchBlade, 39, checking in. SwitchBlade don't be no damn chicken. I ain't running. Ain't no yellow chicken. Take care, squad. SwitchBlade got down.
Hey, SwitchBlade, you don't have to run. You sure don't have to run, that's for sure, man. Hey, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu, check, check.
Tell you, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, bye.
Yeah, my friend number 6 was trying to call you too, man. My friend number 6 trying to call you, Blade.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand by and see can I hear him. Number 6, I hear number 6. I'm putting out me back. Hey, Mark, I'm going to get them. Will not be back, Mark Squad. I will not be back, Mark Squad. Good night, and I got down.
Right back. Okay, NoiseMaker, as you got it down in Honolulu, man. Take care, NoiseMaker, Mod Squad, Mobile. Say you put that where I can get it in Honolulu, Hawaii. NoiseMaker, Mod Squad, Mobile, back cruising this little car. Aloha.
I'll report it in the minute, Greg. Hey, ModSquad, what kind of preacher man still calling you? Preacher man still calling you, prison my damn ears. Take care, ModSquad, SwitchBlade looking in the grass, got down.
Right back, man. I might be able to hear him if everybody would stand by. I might hear him, but right now it's kind of rough. A lot of bees in my radio. Hello, SwitchBlade. Take care from Mod Squad in the Mobile. Read the mail.
Calling SwitchBlade, fuck out preacher man plugging my damn ears. I hear y'all around the minute grass calling SwitchBlade. I'm pointed in the minute grass. Fuck out preacher man plugging my damn ears. Y'all take care of SwitchBlade got down.
And that's how it goes right there, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade. He's trying to call that world famous guy in the minute grass. He's trying to call that world famous guy in the minute grass, that's all. So you let him do what he got to do now, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Yeah, fuck out preacher man. SwitchBlade says, ModSquad claim he ain't got no condition on you, but you plugging my damn ears around Wolf Lake. ModSquad claim he ain't got no condition on you. Hey, fuck out preacher man. I'm pointed in the minute ground, you plugging my damn ears. Take care of preacher man. Take care of ModSquad. SwitchBlade got down. Yeah, I wonder where the hand of that ModSquad mobile. I don't see you 6 around a minute grass, SwitchBlade, baby. Number 6, BrickLayer gone. Hey, number 6.
I told you I was going to take a standby so you can hear him.
I can hear you sometimes. Hey, 6, I can hear you sometimes, SwitchBlade, baby. Gone now.
Bye, BrickLayer, Mod Squad gone too.
ModSquad, that can't be in the bushes. Hey, 6, SwitchBlade and ModSquad is in the bushes. 6, SwitchBlade, baby.
I'm in ambush, man. At Mod Squad, Honolulu with the little car. Everybody want to play with my little car, but they can all come and try. Mod Squad, Mobile gun.
Hey, 6, but you get ModSquad at them damn bushes. You need to send a snake in some of them damn bushes and get started at them bushes. I'm going to see you 6, SwitchBlade.
Bye, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, I'm going to stand by like you, SwitchBlade. I'm going to stand by like you. Have a good one now. ModSquad, read the mail.
Hey, ModSquad, you ought to be shaming yourself. Hey, ModSquad, you ought to be shaming yourself. Take care, Charlie later, ModSquad. Take care, SwitchBlade got down.
Hey, Switch, I just keyed up, let you know I'm going to stand by. I just keyed up to let you know I'm going to stand by, man. Hello, SwitchBlade. You see the numbers coming out of Honolulu? ModSquad, Mobile, read the mail.
Yeah, but ModSquad, you doing one of my standbys. Hey, ModSquad, you doing one of my standbys. You say you're going to stand by, you never shut up. Hey, ModSquad, you doing one of my standbys. You say you're going to stand by, you never shut up. ModSquad, bye.
I learned from the best. I learned from the best there, SwitchBlade. I got to let you know, man. I'm learning every day, and I learn from the best. ModSquad, Honolulu, standing by.
I'll tell you what else. You learn fast too, Kevin. Hey, ModSquad, SwitchBlade said you learn real damn fast too. Take care of ModSquad, SwitchBlade, get down.
Right back, SwitchBlade. All right, SwitchBlade. Like I said, man, I'm going to take a standby and let my neighbors talk. Hey, SwitchBlade, the Mobile gone.
Roger. I'm going to do the same thing you do. ModSquad, SwitchBlade, get down.
Bye, BrickLayer. Bye, BrickLayer. ModSquad gone.
Bye, ModSquad, BrickLayer gone.
All right, BrickLayer. I see it too, BrickLayer. You're still walking in Honolulu now. The Mobile gone.
Kevin, you can't walk to the mini grass. How the hell you going to get past them islands? Hey, ModSquad, who the hell you talking about walking to the mini grass? Look at preacher man say you still hear me. Hey, ModSquad, who the hell you talking about walking to the mini grass? Tell him that's too damn funny. Whoa, SwitchBlade got down.
If he got a lot of bricks, man, if he got a lot of bricks, he can make a path. He can make a path across the Pacific Ocean there. Come on.
Hey, you laid off. I can't be going to have to have more of some damn bricks. I can't be going to have to have a jet in his back pocket. Take care of ModSquad, SwitchBlade got down.
He gonna need them floating bricks. He gonna need the bricks that float there. Come on.
Yeah, you're damn right. He gonna need some floating bricks. He messed up and tied some bricks to the bottom of his shoe. He gonna sink like a rock. Take care of ModSquad, SwitchBlade got down.
Contact, SwitchBlade. You know, ModSquad is standing by now. Bye, BrickLayer. Bye, BrickLayer. ModSquad, Honolulu, Yellow Brick Road is gone too.
Y'all get out of there, Chris Logan, ghost talking. Hey, ModSquad, Chris Logan said, 6 I'm talking trash. Oh, number 6 I'm plugging in. ModSquad, you don't hear no damn BrickLayer. SwitchBlade got down. Oh.
He's still out there, man. He's still laying bricks, man. He's still laying some bricks down there to catch up with you, man.
You know, there ain't no doubt. Coming out of the standing. Well, 6, you're supposed to talk to your radio. Hey, 6, you said I'm plugging your ears. Take care of SwitchBlade. Hey, ModSquad, I heard you. SwitchBlade got down.
Right back. We'll be listening. Like I said, I'm going to stand by. I said I'm going to stand by there. Hey, SwitchBlade, ModSquad gone.
Hey, preacher man, I'm pointed in the mini grass. You plugging my damn ear. Something wrong with my antenna. Hey, preacher man, you coming out the Buckeye. I'm pointed in the mini grass. You plugging my damn ear. Hey, preacher man, SwitchBlade cut down. Hey, BrickLayer, hey, ModSquad, that's my fault.
Hey, BrickLayer, right there, BrickLayer. You said it's not your fault. You said it's not your fault, BrickLayer. ModSquad, Honolulu.
Hey, right here. Hey, ModSquad, I heard you in the background. That damn preacher man somebody finna pull the plug. Hey, ModSquad, I'm pointing at you, man. That damn preacher man coming out the Buckeye, plugging my damn ears. ModSquad, SwitchBlade. Preacher man, SwitchBlade. Number 6, SwitchBlade got down.
Right back, man. I want to hear him, man. I want to hear him, but I guess it's not his turn yet, man. It's not his turn for me to hear him, man. Take care, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu.
ModSquad, please, where's that time? I don't think preacher man queued up. I heard 6 in the background. But y'all take care. I got to get out of here. SwitchBlade at 10-7. Aloha.
All right, there, SwitchBlade. As you go back 10-7, you take them on care. As ModSquad back, read the mail in Honolulu.
Chill out, ModSquad. Watch my back. No bogus fires. Take care, my long time friend, ModSquad. Mobile, SwitchBlade, Whistler, kiss up.